Solved problems. Partnership accounts. Distribution of profits among partners. Problem. Aliyu, Farooq and Kunle are in partnership sharing profits and losses in a proportion of 3:2:1 by the terms of the partnership agreement. Interest on capital is 5% per annum and Kunle entitles to a salary of 300 per annum. On 31st December 1970, the following credit balance appear in the partnership books. Aliyu's capital 5,000, Farooq's capital 4,000, Kunle's capital 2,000, Aliyu's current account 1,000, Farooq's current account 400, Kunle's current account 100, Farooq's loan account 500. The net profit for the year before charging interest on capital, interest on Farooq's loan and Kunle's salary amounted to 2075. Drawing for the amount to Aliyu 1200, Farooq 1000 and Kunle 750. You are required to show the entry in the appropriate account and balance of the current account of partners. Solution. Distribution of profits among partners. Particulars amount Aliyu, Farooq, Kunle total. Capital account as on 30th December 1970, Aliyu 5000, Farooq 4000, Kunle 2000. Farooq's loan account as on 30th December 1970, Farooq 500. Distribution of profits. Net profit for the year 2075. Interest on capitals at 5%. Aliyu 250, Farooq 200, Kunle 100. Total 550. Salary to Kunle per annum. Kunle 300. For interest on Farooq's loan account at 5%. Farooq 25. Balance of net profit 2075 net profit minus interest 550 minus salary 300 minus interest on Farooq's loan 25. Balance net profit 1200. Distribution among partners 1200 as 3:2:1 among Aliyu, Farooq and Kunle goes to 600 to Aliyu, 400 to Farooq, Kunle 200. Total profit, remaining profit after salary, interest and interest on loan is 1200. Share in profits. Now Aliyu will get 850, Farooq will get 625, Kunle will get 600. Total profits 2075. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 1970. Date, particulars, amount. Date, particulars, amount. On the credit side, 31st December 1970 net profit 2075. On the debit side, 31st December 1970 interest on capital, Aliyu 250, Farooq 200, Kunle 100, total 550. Salary to Kunle 300, interest on Farooq's loan 25. Share in profits 3:2:1, Aliyu 600, Farooq 400, Kunle 200. Total profit 2075. Total distribution 2075. Statement of current account of partners. Particulars. Aliyu, Farooq, Kunle total. Balance as on 30th December 1970. Aliyu 1000, Farooq 400, Kunle 100, total 1500. Add share in profits as calculated above. 850 to Aliyu, 625 to Farooq, 600 to Kunle, total 2075. Less drawings by partners. 1200 by Aliyu, 1000 by Farooq, 750 by Kunle, total 2950 is the drawings. Total current account 650, 25 minus 50, total 625. Aliyu's drawings account. On the debit side, 31st December 1970 balance brought down 1200. On the credit side, balance transferred to current account 1200. Farooq's drawings account. On the debit side, 31st December 1970 balance brought down 1000. 31st December 1970 on the credit side, balance transferred to current account 1000. Kunle drawing account. On the debit side, 31st December 1970, balance brought down 750. On the credit side, balance transferred to current account 750. Aliyu's current account. On the debit side, 31st December 1970, drawings 1200. On the credit side, balance brought down 1000. Interest on capital 250. Share in profit 600. Total credit side 1850 minus drawings 1200. The balance carry forward is 650 credit as on 31st December 1970 in Aliyu's current account. Farooq's current account. On the credit side, interest on capital 200, interest on loan 25, share and profits 400, total 1025, less drawings 1000. The balance carry forward is 25,000. Balance carried down is 25 credit balance in Farooq's current account. Kunle's current account. On the credit side, balance brought down 100, interest on capital 100, salary 300, share in profits 200. His drawings is 750, total credits 700. So he has a debit balance in his current account 50, balance brought down 50 on the debit side, debit balance in Kunle's current account. Extract of balance sheet as on 31st December 1970. Liabilities and owner's equity. Farooq's loan 500. Capital accounts. Aliyu 5000. Farooq 4000. Kunle 2000. Total capitals 11,000. Current accounts. Aliyu 650. Farooq 25. Kunle minus 50. Net 625. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.